Channel 4 News, home of forewarned weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
Starting off this morning with quite a bit of shower activity across the mid-state. It's nothing you need to be overly concerned about. We're not talking about thunderstorms. We're not talking about severe weather, just plain old rain, but puddles on the roads for the morning commute. That's not fun. Let's take a look at what's happening. Big picture view first, and you can see this rain is lifting off to the northeast, and there's nothing new developing off to our southwest that's heading in our direction. So once we get rid of these showers this morning, then we should be drier the rest of the day. I think we're going to have a hard time getting rid of the cloud cover, though. Metro Nashville been in a bit of a break from the rain for about the last 45 minutes or so, but another band of slightly heavier rain is moving through Cheatham County and western Williamson County. That's going to slide right up through Nashville within the next hour. There is some heavier rain falling in the western half of southern Kentucky as well, from Christian County into Todd and Logan counties. Then Allen County getting some heavier downpours, and some of the heaviest rain around the entire mid-state is falling right now over southern Overton County into Putnam County, raining cats and dogs right now just east of Cookeville, down into White County as well. All of this is moving off to the northeast. It's not going to last all day. The cloud cover, though, is going to be pretty tough to shake as we head through the day. And not everybody's getting rain for sure right now. There are plenty of damp areas on the roads, but looking pretty good from Bedford County there at the moment. City Clifton and Wayne County, the rain moved through earlier, so now your roads have already dried out. The wind is whipping around a little bit, 5 to 10 miles an hour, which is strong for this time of morning. Lots of reflection here from the parking lot at the St. Henry School in Metro Nashville. Yeah, there are going to be some puddles on the roads as we head towards the peak of drive time, but I'm hoping that the heaviest rain will be through by the time we reach that peak of drive time. Let's check out temperatures, and those are awfully mild. Upper 40s to around 50 degrees. 50 right now on the button in Nashville, 52 degrees in Murfreesboro is the warm location, and the cool spot is 44 degrees in Livingston. That's unusually warm for early January. That's why we're talking about all rain showers. No wintry stuff out there to worry about. The showers move off to our east. I can't rule out an isolated shower, maybe a sprinkle as we head through the afternoon, but it doesn't look like a big deal. A few maybe thin spots in the clouds, maybe a few peaks of sunshine as we head through the afternoon. Temperatures are going to warm up to the upper 50s. If we get some sunshine, we could hit 60 degrees this afternoon still. The next area of rain already approaching in the pre-sunrise hours tomorrow morning. So one round of rain moves through, looks likely tomorrow morning, moving same direction, southwest and northeast across the mid-state. Could hear a few rumbles of thunder with that, but a stronger area of some thunderstorms is going to be moving in by late tomorrow afternoon into the Tennessee River Valley by late afternoon, moving towards Metro Nashville right around the evening hours on Saturday. So keep that in mind for your Saturday evening plans. And some of these storms could be a little bit on the strong side. Not a huge risk of severe weather, but still we'll keep an eye on them. That moves off to the east, and then here comes the cold air producing a brief little change over to snow. It looks really impressive on Futurecast, but keep in mind, upper atmosphere is going to be cold enough for snow. Temperatures near the ground are going to be warm enough to melt that snow as it hits. So we're going to have a really hard time adding this stuff up. Let's talk about the severe weather potential first. The Storm Prediction Center has outlined a marginal risk of severe weather for southwestern Middle Tennessee on Saturday. That's the lowest category they talk about. So this is not a high risk event at all, but we'll keep an eye on the storms just in case. In terms of the snow, doesn't look like much. For most of us, you might see a layer of flakes on lawns and rooftops, but it's not going to be measurable. The one area, as usual, where you could pick up maybe half-inch of accumulation is going to be along the Cumberland Plateau. Some of the very highest spots around Jamestown, Monterey could approach an inch of accumulation, but frankly, I'd be surprised if even that much adds up out of this system. But it will feel like winter as we head through next week with temperatures running below average and another chance of a rain-snow mix on the way for Tuesday.
Be ready for a big drop in those temperatures. Thank you. Hey, school is about to start back up for college students, but there's one item they might have to leave at home. At least 20 universities now